Photoshop is my life.
I do have a lot of fun in Photoshop, just experimenting. My process is never linear or one straight structured thing.
I fall in love with new design when the colors are vibrant, especially when there are a lot of details, you know?
When I can see other creators branching out and diving into things that are new, it makes me really curious and it makes me excited.
I'm a sneakerhead. I love the way that people use shoes as a platform to tell stories.
The moment when I connect with my work is when I feel the colors, I feel the portraits, when I feel everything about the composition.
Photoshop は私の一生のパートナーです。When I create something special, I can tell.
I mean, it's an honor to be part of this community. Every single person in this community feels special.